Hey y'all. So have you ever been on a cruise ship and you only had a couple of outlets, and then you had those funky cruise outlets and you're wishing that you could plug into those because you have a few things that you need to plug in and they only give you two outlets? Or have you been walking around the ship and you saw those funky cruise outlets and you're like, dang, I wish I could plug my cell phone into those so I could charge it while I'm sitting here in the lounge or wherever you're at, but you can't because your power cord does not fit into that outlet? Today I'm going to show you the solution for that. All the cabins that I have these cruise outlets in addition to the regular 120 volt, but I've never actually tried it. So this is my handy dandy adapter that I got on Amazon. It's called a Uni-Adapt, and it has all these handy dandy adapters. So there's one for the EU, one for the UK, and one for the US/Australia. And what you do, and then there's a plug, an input plug here, and then there's the close button here to loosen it up when it's time to close it. So what you do is you just push the button for whichever outlet that you need. So if it was an Australia button, you'd stop there, and then for US, you would turn it here. So now we can plug it into the regular 120 volt outlets over there. All right, and then again, back for Australia, you just turn the metal pieces that way so they are slanted. Not sure if that's showing good on the camera or not. It's probably a better angle. All right, and then to, it's not gonna automatically just move because you bump into it or something. You actually have to press this button and hold it while you're moving this back. So I'm gonna press this side and push that back, okay? And then here, again, the UK type of outlet, push back, nope, push that in and then push back. All right, and then for the cruise one, which is an EU port, okay? So I've been to the UK and I've used the adapter there, but I've never been to Europe outside of the UK. So I've never used this plug before, which is going to be what we use here. Let's push it all the way. Let's push it all the way out. Okay. All right. So to push it, but then you have to push it again to get it all the way out. Okay. So I'm not having success getting in this slot. Oh, there it is. Boom, bam, baby. So now I can put it in there, and you can see my phone here. I'm at, what am I at, 38%? So now I'm gonna plug my charger into the outlet and it should start charging. Boom, bam. So now this actually works. And then I'm gonna take it out of here and not charging anymore. I'm gonna put it in this one. Again, it's kind of funky, I'm not sure what the adjustment is, but there you go, now it's working. So now I can use these outlets, and I could even plug my extension cord into here, and then I will have these other two outlets available because I have the adapter. So anyway, so this is the adapter, the power adapter that I use, and it works for the, remember to push in push in and push back. So this works on the cruise ships and on any Euro, UK, USA, and Australia. It also has a Type C. It has 4 USBs, and it has the different inputs here, so you can plug in other types of plugs into here. All right. So again, that's the adapter that I use.